Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to share Duolingo Family Plan. So let's have a look now. The Family Manager can send the invite link to any Duolingo user via message, WhatsApp, email, and more. Once they receive the link, they will have to accept the invite in order to be added to your family plan. Open your Duolingo app and tap the super icon. In the super dashboard, tap Add Members. Select your method. You can send message in WhatsApp or email. Confirm and send the invitation via the method chosen. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.